Good morning, dear. How are you?
I'm fine.
How are your parents, brother,
Yes,
everyone at home? All are good? Okay, very good. Now, please start with your thought.
yes, ma'am, my thought for the day is when you know better, you do better. I repeat my thought. When you know better, you do better.
Okay. Now, please give the meaning of it.
Ma'am, it means if you know something better, next time you will do it better.
Okay. If you know better, you can do better. Very good. Very good. Absolutely right. Okay. So that is why, in whatever field you want, you should grab more and more knowledge in that. Okay. Now, please read your sentences.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, affirmative sentences. I was going tuition with my friend at 5 p.m.
Very good.
My friends were always playing cricket. No, 1 minute, yes. My friend were always playing cricket with me at evening.
Okay. Good.
My friend was always playing. My friend was always playing games on mobile.
Okay. Good.
My brother was going library at 5 p.m.
Okay. Going to the library. After going, you should use to. Okay. My brother was going to the library. And then what you said?
At 5
At
p.m.
5 p.m. Okay. Good. Next one.
My friend was calling me for playing.
Okay. My friend was calling me to play. Okay. Or for playing. Okay. Absolutely
Negative
right.
sentence.
Now, negative. Okay. Please read the negative sentences.
With your friend at 5 p.m.
Right.
Your friends were not always playing cricket with you at evening.
Very good.
Your friend was not always playing games on mobile.
Very good.
Your brother was going. Your brother was not going library at 5 p.m.
Your brother was not going to the library at 5 p.m. Very good. Okay.
Your brother was not calling you for playing.
Right. Absolutely right. Now, interrogative.
I mean, in interrogative affirmative, where you going tuition with your friend at 5 p.m.
Okay. Were you going?
What do you ma'am?
Were you going to the tuition with your friend at 5 p.m.? Okay. Question mark. Then next
Were
one.
your friend always playing cricket at evening?
Okay, were your friends always playing cricket in the evening? Okay,
Was your friend playing games on mobile?
yes, right, absolutely
Was
right.
your brother always going library at 5 p.m.?
Now again two you add two.
Going to be.
were क्या है? Were your brother or was your brother क्या लिखा है?
Ma'am was.
हाँ, बोलो. Read the whole sentence.
Was your. Ma'am from starting.
No, only this one.
Was your brother always going to the library at 5 p.m.?
Right, absolutely right.
Was your friend calling you for playing?
Yes, was your friend calling you for playing? Okay. Next
Ma'am, done.
one. Then interrogative negative.
No, ma'am, not written.
Just do it. Do it just now. Orally कर लो. No need to write. Just orally.
Ma'am, interrogative negative. Okay, it's simple. Were you not going to the tuition with your friend at 5
Absolutely
p.m.?
right. Absolutely right.
Were
Next
your
one.
friend not always playing cricket in the evening?
Right. Absolutely
Was your
right.
friend playing game? Was your friend not playing games on mobile?
Right.
Was your brother not always going to the library at 5 p.m.?
Right. Absolutely right. Okay. Now
Was
clap
your
for
friend not
yourself.
calling
Okay, clap for yourself.
Thank
Okay,
you.
very good. Now we were doing past perfect on that day, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Past
past
perfect. Past perfect. Before beginning the class, I just want to tell you the uses of past perfect. When do you use past perfect? Okay. Past perfect is used to describe an action that was completed before another action. Okay, suppose you have done two
Ma'am, I've
actions.
already started this past perfect tense.
Yes, you already started, but I'm just want to tell you about the uses of it. Why do we write past perfect instead of simple past? Okay, that we have to understand, and where we should write past perfect. Okay, the past perfect and simple past both the work have been done in the past. But if two works have done in the past, in both the two, which one you did first, in that sentence you have to use past perfect. Okay, suppose your mother cooked food, you ate food. Okay, two work that was done yesterday, it is in the past. But which was done first?
Yes, ma'am, can you repeat? Ma'am, your voice is
Okay,
slow.
okay, your mother cooked food and you ate food. So which was
Yes,
done
ma'am.
first? Which action was done first?
Ma'am, cook the food.
Yes, mother had told you when you will write this sentence in one sentence. How will you write? My mother had cooked food and I ate food. Okay, so that means the action prior to the other one, the action which was done before the other action. In that sentence, we use past perfect. समझ में आ रहा है? Past
Yes.
perfect you had started doing on that day. अब इसको थोड़ा सा इसका यूज समझ लेते हैं, ठीक है? Now can you give me a sentence in which two actions done in the past? दो काम एक साथ past में हुआ है.
Yes, ma'am.
Like your friends called you for playing and you went to play in the ground. Okay, two works were done.
She had visited Hawaii Mahal yesterday.
हाँ, she had visited हवाई महल yesterday. तो एक सेंटेंस हुआ. मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ? दो सेंटेंस बोलो जो पास्ट में एक साथ हुआ है.
Okay.
She had visited the Hawa Mahal yesterday and saw beautiful architecture there. ठीक है, तो उसने विजिट किया तभी तो उसने आर्किटेक्चर देखा ना. If he had not visited, he could not see the architecture. So the work which was done before, दोनों काम में से जिस काम को पहले किया है उसमें हमें क्या करना होता है? पास्ट परफेक्ट लगाना होता है. अंडरस्टैंड? अब नाउ गिव मी वन मोर सेंटेंस. Where two actions were done in the past. एनीथिंग टू एक्शंस, कोई भी दो काम जो कल किया है या परसों किया है. एनीथिंग.
Ma'am, I'm not getting.
सपोज यू डिड समथिंग विथ योर ब्रदर yesterday. क्या किया था?
मैम वो कल ले रहा था.
हाँ,
कल ले रहा था.
कल वो पढ़ रहा था. माई ब्रदर, ओके, माई ब्रदर स्टडीड yesterday. और तुमने क्या किया था? तुमने उसको हेल्प किया था. सपोज यू हेल्प
Yes,
हिम.
ma'am.
ओके ओके, दो काम आप कल आपने किया है. वन इज योर ब्रदर स्टडीड yesterday एंड यू हेल्प हिम. अब इसमें कौन सा पहले हुआ है? तुमने पहले हेल्प किया कि उसने पहले पढ़ाई करी?
पहले हेल्प किया तो उसके बाद पढ़ा.
पहले तुमने हेल्प किया. तुम्हें जब पता ही नहीं है उसको हेल्प किस में करना है तो हेल्प तुमने थोड़ी पहले किया है. पहले तो वो पढ़ रहा था, उसको आया नहीं कोई चीज करना, तब तुमने उसको हेल्प किया है ना।
Yes.
तो पहला काम कौन सा हुआ है?
My brother had studied yesterday.
वेरी गुड.
Had I helped him?
एंड आई हेल्प हिम.
And I helped him.
ओके, तो सेकेंड वाले में सिंपल पास्ट लगाना है, फर्स्ट वाले में पास्ट परफेक्ट लगाना है.
मैम हमें एक बार ही हेड को यूज करना होता है या फिर 2 बार?
हाँ, एक ही बार करना यूज होता है.
इसमें मेरे को इसमें कंफ्यूजन हो रही है,
हाँ,
इसलिए मैं सेंटेंस
वेरी
नहीं बना पा
गुड.
रहा.
ठीक है, जरूर आपने पूछ लिया. वेरी गुड. इट इज, यू शुड बी क्लियर अबाउट योर डाउट्स. ठीक है ना. अब दो काम में से जो काम पहले हुआ है उसमें हमें हैड लगाना है, और जो काम बाद में हुआ है उसको हमें सिंपल पास्ट में लिखना है. ठीक है. नाउ गिव मी अनदर सेंटेंस.
Okay, ma'am. कुछ भी बोलो, डे टू डे कुछ भी आजकल चल रहा है उस पर बोलो, पेरेंट के ऊपर बोलो, और कजिन्स पे बोलो, फ्रेंड्स पे बोलो, किसी पे भी बोल सकते हो. एनीथिंग. Okay. My father don't know how to fry the rice and my mother helped him.
वेरी गुड. माई फादर हैड नॉट क्या बोलेंगे? नोन.
My father had not to fry
हैड
the
नॉट
rice.
नोन, पता नहीं था ना. हैड नॉट अंडरस्टैंड या अंडरस्टूड कर दो. हैड के साथ थर्ड फॉर्म. माई फादर हैड नॉट अंडरस्टूड हाउ टू कुक फ्राइड राइस एंड माई मदर हेल्प्ड हिम. वेरी गुड. एब्सोल्युटली राइट. वेरी नाइस सेंटेंस. यू शुड राइट इट इन योर कॉपी. ओके. कॉपी में हेडिंग दो पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस, और उसका यूज लिखो. फर्स्ट यूज क्या है? टू डिस्क्राइब एन एक्शन लिखो. यूजेस ऑफ पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस. Uses of past perfect tense.
Yes, ma'am.
To describe an action.
Ma'am, 1 minute. Please can you repeat what you are saying?
Okay. To describe an action that was completed before another action
Ma'am,
to
1 minute. Ma'am, what is after completed?
before another action took place. Full stop. Next line में लिखो for example. In the next line you should write for example and give the example of first अपना वो brother वाला देना. My brother had studied. वही सब्जेक्ट बोलो, कौन सा सब्जेक्ट था? My brother had studied maths.
My brother had studied and I helped him.
हाँ, नहीं, which subject your brother had studied?
What is?
सब्जेक्ट कौन सा था जिसमें आपने उसको हेल्प करी?
My brother.
Which was the subject, my dear, in which you helped him? इंग्लिश में, हिंदी में, मैथ्स में, किस में हेल्प किया आपने?
In maths.
मैथ्स. तो लिखो my brother had studied maths
And I helped him.
and I helped him. हैड स्टडीड को अंडरलाइन करो और हेल्प्ड को अंडरलाइन करो, देन इट विल बी क्लियर टू यू कि किस में हैड लगाना है और किस में सिंपल पास्ट लगाना है. ठीक है, हैड स्टडीड को अंडरलाइन करो और हेल्प्ड को अंडरलाइन करो. ठीक है, द वर्क विच इज डन बिफोर द अनदर वर्क, उसमें हमें लगाना है परफेक्ट टेंस. अब नेक्स्ट वाला लिखो, नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस लिखो जिसमें आपको अपने फादर का लिखना है, वो वाला लिखो. राइट दैट सेंटेंस. My father
My father
had not had not
understood,
huh,
not understand.
understood understood
understood.
third form. My father had not understood how to cook fried rice so my mother. हेल्प तो पहले वाले में लिखा था, इसमें हेल्प ना करके दूसरा वर्ब लगाओ. गाइडेड हिम, GUIDED, गाइडेड हिम.
What is so?
So my mother guided, GUIDED, guided.
So my mother guided.
हाँ, गाइडेड हिम, मदर ने गाइड किया कि कैसे करना है.
Okay, ma'am.
Now underline both the words. Had not understood और guided.
Guide.
समझ में आ गया? दिस इज द
Yes, ma'am.
फर्स्ट यूज जहां पर दो सेंटेंस पास्ट में होते हैं, पर पहला वाला जो काम किया है उसमें हमें परफेक्ट टेंस लगाना होता है. ठीक है, एंड नेक्स्ट, नाउ नेक्स्ट यूज, यूज टू लिखो जो हमने उस दिन किया था. टू रिपोर्ट अ कंप्लीटेड एक्शन इन द पास्ट. दैट मीन्स
What?
to report a completed action in the past. That means in the past you have completed a work. You have started a work and that work is completed.
Ma'am, action in the past.
In the past, right.
Okay, ma'am.
अब एक कोई सेंटेंस ऐसे बोलो जो आपने पास्ट में शुरू किया था और पास्ट में कंप्लीट हो गया. ऐसा नहीं कि पास्ट में शुरू किया था एंड इट इज स्टिल गोइंग ऑन, ऐसा नहीं. द थिंग विच यू स्टार्टेड इन द पास्ट एंड इट वॉज एंडेड इन द पास्ट. तो ऐसा सेंटेंस बोलो जो कंप्लीट हो गया पास्ट में.
I had started my science work and I completed it.
ओके,
And
तो
I-
ऐसे करो, दो सेंटेंस नहीं दो, ओनली राइट वन सेंटेंस. आई हैड
I'm
स्टार्टेड.
making an announcement.
हाँ, इसमें एक ही बनाओ, जस्ट टू नो कहाँ पर हमें लगाना है वो बताने के लिए. आई हैड स्टार्टेड माई साइंस वर्क और आई हैड कंप्लीटेड माई साइंस वर्क. देखो,
I had completed my science work.
राइट. राइट वन मोर सेंटेंस.
मैम इसमें हमें had complete को अंडरलाइन करना है.
हाँ, हैड कंप्लीटेड. सेकेंड सेंटेंस बोलो. I had won the match. That means the work is over. I had won the match. लिखो.
मैम इसमें हेड वॉन को अंडरलाइन करना है.
Had won. Yes, WN won. Had won the match. I hope you have understood how to do past perfect and इसका तुम्हें नेगेटिव भी इजी हो जाएगा बनाना. आता है ना नेगेटिव बनाना? बना के बोलो, ओरली बोल दो चाहे.
मैम इनके नेगेटिव.
हाँ, इन्हीं के नेगेटिव कर दो.
ओके मैम स्टार्टिंग से माय ब्रदर हैड नॉट स्टडीड
नहीं, उसमें तो वो तो नेगेटिव में ही है बेटा. माई ब्रदर हैड नॉट वाला तो ऑलरेडी नेगेटिव में है, उसको छोड़ दो. लास्ट के दोनों को देखो.
ओके I had not completed my science work.
Very good. I had not completed
I had
my.
not won the match.
Very good. Very good. So I hope you know how to write the negative formula of negative sentences. लिखना आएगा ना? लिख लो चाहे.
Yes, ma'am.
लिख लो.
Yes, ma'am. Had plus. Yes,
हाँ.
ma'am. Had plus. Ma'am, subject plus had plus.
Not. Subject plus had plus not plus third form of verb plus object. लिख लो चाहे. Subject plus had
Plus not.
plus not
Plus third form of verb.
plus third form of verb
Plus object.
plus object. Right. Absolutely right. Okay. Can you able to do this one? Will you able to do interrogative sentence? Can you do interrogative sentence of it?
Ma'am, what?
Interrogative sentence. Same इसी का ही.
मैम बनाने हैं.
हाँ, इसी को चेंज करना है. Please change it into interrogative.
मैम यही वाले जो अभी आपने करवाए हैं.
हाँ, उसी का ही कर लो. अभी लास्ट 2 वाला. I had completed my work. ये वाला.
मैम इसको लिखना है.
हाँ, लिखो. पहले इसका इंटरोगेटिव बनाओ. कैसे बनाओगे?
I had not completed my science work.
वो तो नेगेटिव हो गया. मैं इंटरोगेटिव बोल रही हूँ. What is interrogative?
Interrogative.
हाँ,
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ.
Interrogative. मैम इनको इंटेरोगेटिव नेगेटिव बनाना है मैम या फिर इंटेरोगेटिव
पहले सिर्फ इंटरोगेटिव अफर्मेटिव बनाओ, उसके बाद इंटरोगेटिव नेगेटिव बनाना.
हैड आई कंप्लीटेड माय साइंस वर्क.
ओके, बस इसमें थोड़ा सा चेंज क्या करना है. आई नहीं बोलते हैं. आई को क्या
Yes,
करोगे? हैड
हैव
यू.
यू.
हाँ, हैड यू